The New Balance 992 Driftwood closes out Teddy Santis Made in USA 2025 season with one of the lineup's most talked about releases. Official images finally confirm what fans have been waiting for, a rare snakeskin-detailed 992, something New Balance almost never includes outside limited CNY or Joe Freshgoods projects. This pair blends Santis' signature earthy palette, tan, beige, brown, and off-white, with reptilian overlays that instantly elevate the design. Subtle touches like gray hits near the collar, black on the outsole, and translucent cushioning in the midsole complete the premium look. After months of anticipation since the fall or winter preview, the Driftwood colorway is now locked in for a December 11th drop through NewBalance.com and select retailers. Priced at $200, this Made in USA model is expected to be one of the most sought-after New Balance releases to close out 2025.